The first version of the pipeline interpreter for the Ethereum virtual machine is live, but we are also preparing a pipeline WebAssembly interpreter for executing graphs containing other Wasm modules. In this test version of pipeline, I have already loaded some Wasm modules. After we build our graph, we can run it. And we can save it. And we can also add documentation in Markdown format. We can add placeholders for our parameters. Which will be replaced by actual runtime values when a user runs our graph. Now we can see our graph here, and we can load it. And when we run it, we can see how our Markdown is populated by the runtime values it referenced. And we get our result. The graph is ran in our pipewasm binary, which receives the graph, the context data, and the user inputs. But we can also use this graph as a graph node and connect it with other functions. So now we can obtain nested graphs. This level of composition allows us to build fairly complex logic, especially that you will be able to compose graphs containing multiple types of modules, WebAssembly, Web3, JavaScript, and more. We will soon release the Pipeline Wasm interpreter, so stay tuned.